So markers of femininity. And after that we have the feminine nouns which are based on as we heard them, called muannas sama'i. Muannas sama'i. Muannas sama'i. And our scholars has made groups in muannas sama'i as well. For example, they have said names given to different kind of winds, wind or air, so they are all considered to be feminine. For example, rihun, let's write with another color. Rihun, Rih. Sarsaron, this is a kind of wind which is really freezing cold. Then we have Badun, a word which is commonly used in Urdu, especially in Urdu poetry. Bad. Samoom. So this is very warm air. Scalding warm. So that's one group in muannas sama'i. The second group is names of liquor. And there are a few words which has been used in Quran, such as khamr, khamrun, khartumun, khartum. Another word is tila, with hamza at the end. So tila'un. So two categories. Let me go down a bit. The third one, names of fire. Names given to fire or names of fire. And we are familiar with quite a few of them. Narun, nar. We are very familiar with Jahannamu, Jahim. Another name is Sa'ir. And yet another one is Sakaru. So if you focus on these names, this is Gharu Munsarif and this is also Gharu Munsarif. Remember our first lecture. So these are Munsarif. Those which end in tanween, they are munsarif and they are 85% of the nouns. Those which end with single dhamma, they are ghairu munsarif, and they are about 15% of the nouns. So that is the third category. The fourth category is very easy. That's body parts which are in pairs. In pairs. For example, we will say yadun, hands, hand. One hand is yadun. And we can say uzunun, ears. There are two. Ainun, eye. This is also used for fountain, and this word. Rijlun, legs, leg. So body parts which are in pairs, they're all feminine. Unfun, nose, that's masculine because that's not pair. And then there is a miscellaneous group. I'll have to wipe this off. So the fifth group is miscellaneous nouns. In this group, they have given certain, for example, you look up, we see sama'un, sky, and we are on earth, ardhan. In the sky we have sun, shams, shamsun. On earth we have people, nafsun, individual or soul, nafsun. Okay, and when there are people on earth, what they do? They fight, harbun, harbun. And when they do that, their houses are damaged, darun, house. There's another word for house, baitun, that's masculine, darun is feminine. In fight, they can use sticks, asa, that's feminine. Then other words, the ka'sun, cup, ro'ya, dream, sabil, sabilun, path, any path, small path, and bi'run, well. So this is the miscellaneous group. So really they have made it easy for us to remember the words which are possibly going to be feminine in Arabic. And Quran is going to teach us what words are masculine and what words are feminine, especially in the case of sifa, when we see a word and then we see sifa with it, and we will see where the sifa is muzakkar and where the sifa is muannas. I hope this was all helpful. See you next time. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha